if I have to ask you, I would ask you, how do you look at the idea of treating each functions in a bigger organization as a startup? So if I have to put it in another word, if each function in an organization start behaving as a startup, will that be a challenging one, or will it be something that is not aligned with an organization's objectives?
See, if you're talking about every function coming up with innovative ideas of how they could change things for the business or for their own function, that is absolutely welcome, right? I mean, all of us, I love that when somebody walks up to me from function and says, you know what, we can grow 10 times, or we can, you know, reduce customer complaints 10 times if we did this, right? But I don't think it stops there, right? So being very entrepreneurial for a particular function does not stop there coming up with the idea, because what they have to do, I have found that any action that you take, right, generally is not isolated to one function. Anything that you do cuts across multiple functions, right? So what you've got to do, what that function will have to do essentially, is to bring everybody else along with them, right? So the operations team come and tells me something, but it has an impact on sales, has an impact on marketing, has an impact on HR, has an impact on, you know, risk or whatever it is. Then they have to bring them collectively along and then find the best solution to move forward, right? So yes, we encourage people to come up with a lot of ideas and to think about doing things very differently, right? So I'll give you an example. For example, you know, we get a credit card out to an individual. Our stated goal is 10 days of applying for an application, or after we apply for an application, right? We want to get that down to 5 days. Part of the operations team responsibility, right? So came up with the idea, said 5 days, right? Or instantaneous for that matter, right? Great thought, you know, new idea, nobody else does that in the industry. Can we actually do that? Well, we can do it, but it involves a lot of work for sales. It involves, you know, sales has to do things differently. Our IT team has to do things differently. Our risk team has to do things differently. So it impacts everybody else. So what we encourage people is you come up with ideas, but make sure you bring all the other functions along with that.
So it's absolutely cross-functional. That's pretty clear. But it almost works to my mind at an individual level, right? And that's what I meant by saying entrepreneurship, right? But what Samir is saying, I would even say that, you know, since we're talking about the future of workplace, we're already seeing people collaborate almost like a Hollywood model. What is the Hollywood model, right? I mean, you have a film and you have a banner, and a group of people come together and work on it for a year or 2 years. So it could be any period of time, but a cross-functional team that can come and solve a problem. Because nothing in the world today is done by one function.